Hello, guys. Good morning. Welcome to our live trading session for today. All right. In case this is your first time joining us, so what we do here is I analyze the market and give out profitable signals. All right. So we had a signal yesterday. We had a trade yesterday, and the market went into profit. Though it didn't hit our second take profit, but the market was able to hit the first take profit. All right. As I was saying earlier, if this is your first time here, what you need to do is fund your account. Okay. Here on this live trading session, we don't trade demo. Okay. So we trade real accounts. So what you need to do is fund your account on my live stream. And if you fund your account on this live stream, you also get the benefit of becoming my premium member. All right. So I have a premium group where I give out even better signals. I give 3 signals at least per day, and I give market analysis, market reports, and if there's a news event that is about to happen, I update my premium members. All right. So to join the premium group, all you have to do is fund your account. You see that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Just click on the banner. It will take you to where you can the page where you make deposit. Okay. So if you fund your account with $10, $10 will get you into the premium group for 2 weeks. If you fund up to $15 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And if you fund up to $200 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And then you also get the benefit of having a one-on-one session with me, okay? A private session where I can teach you how to become a profitable forex trader and even share with you my personal trading strategy. All right. And guys, so whatever you fund on your account is going into your trading wallet. All right. So it's not as if you are paying for all the services that I've listed out. Okay. So that is that for that. Let's get into the activity of today. All right. So we are currently on BNB USDT. This is the Binance coin against the United States Tether. Let's see what's going on here. Let's see what's going on here. So we are on BNB USDT 1 hour time frame. You see, yesterday I predicted the market to go up, even though we had a little drawdown here. You see, the market eventually went to the upside. Okay, the market printed bullish candle. So if I move this to this spot, you see, we had a little drawdown to this area, but the market still went up anyways. All right. So this is a profitable market. Um, if we had, took this market yesterday, we'll definitely make profit by now. But it's a crypto instrument, and as you all know, crypto instruments are very volatile. Okay, so that is why I don't suggest you trade it if you are having a balance less than $10. All right, if you have a balance less than $10, I suggest you trade the low uh, pairs. All right, so the forex pairs are better because they are less risky. Not that they are not risky, but they are less volatile. Right. All right, so let's make a fresh analysis on BNB USDT anyways. All right. Okay, so we are currently on the 1 hour time frame. Okay. So we are currently on the 1 hour time frame, and as you can see, we have areas where the market has uh, reversed from previously. Okay. So we have this first area, this zone here. We have the second one, and then we have this third point. Okay. So let me mark out the zones where the market had rejected earlier. We have the first one. Sorry. Right. Let's delete that. We don't want them too many. Okay. So we have the first point. We have the second point, and then we have the third point. And you see the market had come back to that same point again for the fourth time. Right. So as a beginner, this is the patterns you want to be looking out for. Okay, areas where the market had rejected earlier. Okay, previously rather. So the market rejected this particular zone price point. Okay, uh, 3 times previously, and it's happening again for the fourth time. So what we're expecting here is for the market to, move the same way it has moved when it got to this price point. Okay, so now let's go to the lower time frame. Let's go to 30 minutes time frame. You see, so you see when the market made this move into the box, what happened? The market rejected immediately. Okay, so right now the market is trying to um, is preparing for its bullish move. All right, so the market is currently preparing for its bullish move from this point. Okay, from the point where the market got into the box. Okay, let's go down further. Let's check our 15 minutes time frame. All right, so currently on the 15 minutes time frame, we can have similar stuff here. So guys, let me teach you another trick. Okay, sometimes looking for candle patterns before you can decide where the market is going is very hard. Okay, most especially if you are a beginner. So let me teach you a trick you can easily use to get a confirmation. So let's use this move. Okay, this short move from here to this point. All right, so let's do something like this. Let's have a trend line, right, from here to here. Okay, so now when the market was moving to this direction, moving to the upside, you see the market was creating what we call higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so here we have a high. Let me mark that out. All right, so here we have a high. Here we have another high, and you see this high is higher than the previous one. So we have another high here. We have another one here, and then we have the current high, which is this one right there. Okay, so every time the market goes above the previous high, I want you to take note of something. You see, this is the previous high, this is where it ended. Okay, so this is the first high from where the market started making uh, uptrend from. So when this high got broken, what happened here? You see, this is the candle that broke the high. Right, this candle right here broke the high. This bearish candle, the black candle, okay, it's a bearish candle. So the candle broke the high, and when the high got broke, what happened? You see, the market retraced to this downside before making the bullish move. Okay, this is what we call retracement of break of structure. Okay, so the market broke above the high, and what happened next? The market came back to retest the zone. Okay, the previous moves. Right, the market came back to retest the previous move, then continue to go up. Okay, and where is the previous move? Where do we have our previous move? The previous move is the these are the previous move. Okay, so they are the previous move because when the market came to this level, came to this high, all right. So first thing you need to understand is there's always a reason why the market is moving. All right, there's always a reason why the market is moving. We have the bullish and then we have the bearish. All right, so when the market became bullish, trying to go up, we have this short bearish move. Okay, so this short bearish move is indicating that we have an order block around this zone. Okay, and that is why when the market eventually got broken, what happened? It came back to the bearish, okay, to retest the bearish before it continued its move. Okay, so it came to look for a support around this area. All right, so let's make an example from another move here. You see, we have another move here. We have another move. So here we have another break of structure to the upside, right? So the area where we want the market to come back to make a retest is around this area, right? So this is another thing that you need to understand. I'm not saying the market is going to come back into the zone 100% every time, okay? But in most cases, the market will come back into the zone, right? And that is what is currently happening right now. All right. So even though the market didn't come back to this leg, look at the next one that was created. So here we have another break of structure to the upside. See, the market broke to the upside, and then we have this short bearish move, okay, which is indicating that here we have another block. All right. And what happened? So we are marking out the whole of the point where we have the other block. And what is currently happening right now? You see, the market came back into the zone and is currently creating a bullish candle. Okay. So you can actually use this strategy to get better entries. All right. So you see, this is why you need to subscribe to my premium group. And if you are subscribing, it's as if you are using one stone to kill two birds. All right, because the money you are funding, you are still going to be trading with the money. All right, so it's not as if you are paying for the premium signal or the premium benefits that you get to enjoy. All right, so basically, if you fund your account, the benefit you get to enjoy is free. Okay, they are all free. All right. So fund up to $200 on my live stream, and then I'll be able to explain better on this. All right. But with this, I think if you have little experience, you should be able to find your way with the little explanation I've made here. Okay. All right. So let's make analysis and see how we can get even better entries. We are currently on the 15 minutes time frame. All right. We are currently on the 15 minutes time frame, and as you can see, the market respected the area where I marked out. Okay, you see the market move from exactly the 50% of my order block. Right. So if you want to get further explanations, go and fund your account. Okay, go and fund your account with at least $200 so we can have a private session. Okay. So guys, I'm not going to talk about this any further. Now we're just going to make analysis and look for entry opportunities. All right. So if you want better explanation, if you want more explanation on this, just fund the account so we can have a session, fund at least $200. Okay. So that way, we get to have a one-on-one session, and then we can discuss about this further. All right. So we don't have any entry here on BNB USDT. All right. Let's take a look at the XAU USD instrument. Gold pair. All right. Let's see what's going on there. So let's start our analysis from the higher time frame as always. Let me just delete our previous analysis. So on XAU USD gold, 2 hour time frame, as you can see, the market has been bullish. Okay, the market has been bullish. You see, the market has been breaking structures, right? The market has been breaking structures. So you can also use the concept of break of structure to make your analysis here. Okay, so let's use that. Let's see what the market is currently playing at. So we have a break of structure to the downside from this point, from this price point. You see, the market came down below this level. Okay, which means we have a break of structure here. Do we have any other one aside this? No. So after this, the market hasn't come below this level. Now here is the scope. This is the break of structure, and then the market broke this to the upside. All right. So if you are smart, I think you'll be able to catch the scope here. I'm using the concept I just talked about a few minutes ago. Right. So here we have uh, the bearish move before this. Okay. This is the last bearish move because this is where we have our break of structure. So this is the last bearish move before the break of structure to the upside. Okay. So now if we are gonna mark the areas where we want the market to reverse from, it's gonna be from here, okay, to the downside. Okay, it's gonna be from there to the downside. And as you can see, the market is currently inside the zone. Okay. So what we want to wait for now is we want the market to give us a rejection to show us a pattern that the market is going to continue to go up. All right. So we want to see a pattern indicating a bullish market. Right. And then we can also, since the market has moved, below this level, let's just decrease it to where the market is currently. So the market is currently here on this price. All right. And this is the 2 hour time frame. So the confirmation here right now is for the market to reject anywhere around this level. Okay, so probably I want the market to do something like this, right? I want the market to move, come back into this level, close above it, not below. Okay, I want the market to close above this level, and then we continue to ride it to the upside, because I'm telling you this market is going to move up. Okay, so guys, this is the analysis on XAU USD 2 hour time frame, right? So right now we don't have a lower time frame entry, but we're going to keep an eye on this to see if the market. All right, so this is what I'm expecting the market to do from here. I want the market to move up from this level. Okay, so once I have a move from this level, I want the market to come back into the level again. But this time around, it's not going to close below the low. I want it to close above. Okay, above this area. And then once I get a rejection candle, I will take my buy order. All right. So as I've said, we are on the higher time frame, and there's no opportunity on the lower time frame. So there's no scalping opportunity here. Let's just continue to make more analysis. All right. So we have BTC USDT. Okay, we made this analysis yesterday during our live session, and you see the market respected the zone. You see, so if we had took a sell order here yesterday, we would have made massive profit. Okay, the market came down as predicted. The market came down as predicted. So right now the market is currently ranging. So the market is consolidating around this price point. Okay. So the overall trend for BTC USDT has been a bullish move, bullish trend. So what we are seeing here right now, all of this move here is just a retracement. Okay. It's just a retracement for the lower time frames. Right? They are just retracements. So if we are taking a sell trade here, we have to be very careful. We don't want to stay too long in the market. And you see the market has rejected from this price zone earlier. So then we have another point here. All right. So for this, let's go to the lower time frame. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame. Let's see if we can scalp this market. All right. Let's see if we can scalp this market. So this is our last bullish move for this zone, and you see how the market moved from the bullish move to the downside, right? So for this one, we don't have any POI. We don't have any point of interest here. Okay. So the point of interest I'm looking for is either a fair value gap or an order block. So we don't have any below all of this level, but we have one here. So we have this above, we have this other block above. Okay. We have the other block. And the market is currently approaching this area. So let's go to the 5 minute time frame, right? Let's wait for this market on the 5 minutes time frame. So before that, let's use our fair value gap first. Okay. So if the market doesn't respect our fair value gap, then we move up to this level where we have the other block, right? So let's say this is the 5 minutes time frame, right? Let's see what happens when the market get to this level. All right, for the current candle, we have about okay, we have less than 4 minutes to the end of this current candle. We have less than 4 minutes to the end of this current candle. So hopefully the market, move to this point where we have our fair value gap first. So if the market rejects from this fair value gap, then we take our sell trade. Okay. So we have 2 points of interest here. We have the first one on our fair value gap. This would probably be our take profit. Here we'll have our stop loss. And then for the second entry, if it doesn't respect the fair value gap, we have our second entry here using the same take profit and the same stop loss, right? So I like this better because here we have a very tiny stop loss. Okay, we have a very tiny stop loss, and then tiny stop loss mean big profit here. Okay, so we have a scalping analysis. Let's just see what happens in the next few minutes. If the market would come into our point of interest for this, all right. So if the market do come into our fair value gap, we are taking a sell trade. If it goes up, you know, go to our other block, we take a sell trade. Whichever one comes first. All right. So since we have analysis here and the confirmation, we haven't gotten the confirmation to place our order. Let's just continue to move on. Let's make analysis on another crypto instrument. All right. So here we have the Ethereum USDT. Ethereum is like the junior brother of Bitcoin. Yeah. So when the Bitcoin is moving bullish, there's 99% chance that Ethereum is also going to be moving bullish, right? So let's see what's going on the Ethereum instrument right now. All right. So this is our last bullish move. See, this is our last bullish move. But the market didn't actually respect this. I think the market is respecting this. Yeah. So the market is respecting this. And this, where we have our recent bullish move. You see, the market is also respecting this. All right, so for this, let's go to the lower time frame. Let's go to 30 minutes time frame first. Let's see if the market is going to be respected further. So, guys, you see, whenever I'm making analysis here, um, I suggest you pay attention because you see, this is something most people will take money for. Okay, but here at BtcDana, we are doing this for free. All right, all you need to do to have access to me is just to fund your account on my live stream. Right, so we have analysis on Ethereum USDT. We have analysis on Ethereum USDT, right? This is the 30 minutes time frame though. Okay, this is the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, guys, let's sell Ethereum USDT. All right, let's sell Ethereum USDT. Okay, so for this, I'm going to give out the take profit. We have our TP. Wow, I don't think we'll be needing the TP, right? So let's just keep an eye on this trade. Once the market moves a bit further down, we close profit. Okay. I mean, this is Ethereum USDT. They are very volatile, and when you are making profit, you are making good profit. All right. All right, guys, we are making profit. We are making profit. Wow, 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 wow. So the market is still moving to the downside. All right, guys, let's close positions. All right. Let's secure profit. Let's secure profit on this trade. Let's secure profit on this trade. Okay, this is the 15 minutes time frame, and we are just capping. All right. This is the 15 minutes time frame, and we are just capping this market. All right, guys, secure your profit now. Secure your profit now. This is Ethereum USDT. Secure your profit now. Right. So we capped this market successfully. You see, we have this move. Let's go to 1 minute so you can see the move we've gotten. See, even though it wasn't much, all right, even though the move is not much, but we are able to get something from the trade, from the market, right? So we are scalping. We don't want to hold the trade for long. But if you want to hold this trade, let me just give you the stop loss. Let me give you the stop loss. The market is going to continue to go down, I'm telling you, right? But for scalping, I would suggest you leave the trade now. See, the market is still going down. Okay, the market is still. See, we are still making profit, guys. We are still making profit, guys. Um, so for scalping, I'll suggest you leave the market right now. But we have TP and SL. So if you want to hold this trade, you can hold it until the market hits the TP. Okay, but I'm leaving the market right now. Right, I'm okay with the profit I've made from this trade. All right. Okay, so we made profit from Ethereum USDT. Um, let's proceed. Yeah. So you see, this is the analysis we made earlier on BNB USDT, and the market is currently at the area where it was, where we had our previous high. So right now the market is trying to go above the high to create another high. So if the market successfully breaks this high, it means the market is going to continue to go bullish. All right. If this market successfully breaks this high, the market is going to continue to go bullish. All right. That means the market is going to continue to buy. Okay. All right. So I think we have an analysis on XAUSD. So let's go. Let's see what's going on with the XAUSD. Let's see what's going on with our analysis. Let's see if we are getting an entry confirmation. All right. So there's no confirmation yet. There's no confirmation yet. Okay. All right. So for the remaining time, let's go to the forex instruments. Let's go to the forex instruments. So I send this trade to the premium group. All right. I give this trade to my premium members, and you see the market hit take profit one and hit take profit two. I think I also gave this trade here because if I'm having this TP and SL written on the screen, then definitely I must have given this trade here. I can't remember when I gave this trade, but yeah, I know for sure I gave this signal here, and it was very profitable. You see, guys, don't play with me, yeah. So if you want to learn from me, all you have to do is fund on this live stream. Fund at least $200, and you'll be able to get a one-on-one session live with me. Okay. All right. So let's see what the market is currently doing. Let's see what is happening right now. Okay. So you see, when the market start to make this move, right? When the market started to make the downtrend move, you see the market was breaking lows. So we have this high, and the market refused to break the high. The market just started to make a low instead. So we have this low where the market, so we have this low, we have a break of structure here to the downside. Okay. And then we have the next. So after this, the market came down even further. All right. The market came down, went up to create this high. And what happened to the high? What happened with to the low? Because when the market is going down, what we are focusing on is the low, not the high. So we only focus on highs when the market is making bullish moves. Okay, that is when the market is going up. So the market, continue to break, low further, going down even more. So here we have another break of structure to the downside. Okay, we have another break of structure to the downside here. I think this is the last one basically. So right now here we have another block because this is the last move of this bearish move. Okay, so after this high, after this low, after the market got here, we wanted another market, another high like this, and then for the market to continue to break the market to the downside, but it never happened. What happened instead was after this low, the market came up, break the high, okay, break the previous high. So when the market break this high, here we are not going to call it a break of structure because this is a change in momentum. Okay, so here we have a change in momentum because the market moved from being bearish to bullish. Okay, so here we have a change in momentum, which can also be indicated as change of character. Okay, so I labeled mine as change of character. That is why I have CH here. Okay, so which means the market has changed character. All right. So right now, what I'm expecting the market to do here is for the market to make bullish move. Okay, back to this point. All right. You see. Right. Okay. All right. So as you can see right now, when the market got to this point, what happened? The market created a bull. Okay, a bullish candle. All right. So what I want this candle to do right now is I want the candle to close above this level. Okay, I want it to close above this level with another bullish candle. So once we have that, then we can enter for a buy. All right. All right. All right. All right. Okay, so we are currently on the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, let's go down to a lower time frame. So this is the 5 minutes time frame, right? So on the lower time frame, I can get a sniper entry. So since I already have, since my analysis is already telling me that uh, we have a previous price rejection from this zone, and that the price can, reject from this price point again. I want to stay on the 5 minutes time frame. So when the market start to reject, I can get an early entry. Okay, so that's what we call the sniper entry. We are currently on the 5 minutes time frame, and we have less than 5 minutes to the end of this current candle. Let's just wait for this, see how the candle closes, and if we get a good confirmation, we place our buy trade. All right. So guys, get your account ready. AUDCAD. Right. Okay. Right now we have less than 4 minutes to the end of this current candle. So trading requires a lot of patience. You want to get proper confirmations before you jump into the market. Okay. So if you jump into the market without proper confirmations, yeah, it's not going to look great. Yeah. All right. So we have less than 3 minutes to the end of this current candle right now. Uh, I think we can do another analysis on another pair. Another pair. Yeah. Let's just stay with this. Okay. Because we've had issues where we left market to make another analysis, and before we got back, the market already gave its confirmation, and then we were not able to place the trade. Yeah. So let's just see what is going to happen at the end of this current candle. But if we are not able to get any good confirmation, then we move on to the next pair. All right. Okay. So a few seconds more to the end of the current candle. So once we get the rejection from this zone, we are going to place a buy trade. All right, so the candle closed, but I'm not comfortable with how the market looks. Okay, so we didn't actually get the rejection we hoped for, right? But aside this zone, we also have, okay, we have a very small order block just below below our fair value gap. So let me zoom out on that so we can get a better view here. You see, so we have this last bearish move. So this is our other block here, right? So the reason why I'm showing you this is even if the market goes below this fair value gap, where we have our gap here, even if the market goes below it, the market can still get here and make it reverse, okay, and start reversing to the upside. So don't get surprised when the market get to this point before it reverses, right? But we can actually take an entry from here. Can take an entry from here and have our stop loss right here, right? But I like it better when I have a very small stop loss when I'm taking the trade right from where the market is reversing from. Yeah. So let's just see what happens from this zone. Okay. Let's just continue with analysis. So this is the 15 minutes time frame, and we have this candle. I think we have less than 80 minutes to the end of this current candle right here. So before the close of this current candle, let's just continue to make more analysis to see if we can get entry opportunities from another pair. Yeah. Okay, so since we already had an analysis on AUD instrument, I think we should jump to another forex pair. Okay, let's jump to another one different from the AUDs. Right, so let's do CAD instead. Let's do CAD instead. So here we have CAD CHF 1 hour time frame. So we have this price point the market has been trying to reject from. See, the market has been consolidating ever since it got into this zone. Right, so even right now the market is back into the other block area. Right, so this is the 1 hour time frame. Let's go down to 15 minutes time frame. So we have this high, the market hasn't gone below the low. Okay, so even though the market is printing bearish candle right now, doesn't mean that we can sell this market. Okay, it doesn't mean we can sell the market because we don't have a break of structure to downside. We only have to the upside. Okay, so what this analysis is suggesting right now is that the market is going to continue to go bullish. So look for buy entries only. That is what my analysis is saying. Right. So even if this market sells, it's probably going to get into this zone and then continue to go bullish. All right. Let me remove this. So this is my expectation from this market. This is what I expect the market to do. So here is my stop loss, my take profit. How is it going? You guys are on post one, right? Yeah, set. Yeah. All right. All right. So 2 minutes more to the end of this current candle. I don't want us to scalp this because I know for sure that when the market get to this point, the market is going to go bullish. All right. So all right. So when you already have a market direction after your analysis, I suggest you stick to the direction the market is pointing to. Okay. So going against it can be risky. So right now the market is telling us it's going to come down to this level and then continue to move up. All right. Okay, so this is the 15 minutes time frame, and the market is still here. Um, so I don't see this opportunity coming up anytime soon. All right, let's just quickly take a look at our analysis on XAUSD before we round up this session. Okay, so the market is still ranging inside the zone. Okay, entry opportunity hasn't been created yet, right? So guys, and that has brought us to the end of our session for today. So today is Friday. If you've made profit, make sure you make a withdrawal. Uh, you know, take yourself out for the weekend. Enjoy the profit you've made. All right, and then we continue again on Monday. All right. So guys, uh, enjoy the rest of your day. Have a nice weekend. See you again on Monday. Bye for now.